Hey, hello, I'm back for part two. Back for part two. Yo, it has been a busy day. So I decided maybe I should do this video so that I can end um my Instagram login front end using CSS um and HTML. So yeah, currently yesterday on part one, so we left things off here. So this is how our login looked like. We only had the form, which is the login form, our Instagram pic, and this picture on the left. So yeah, a spoiler for this one, because I went back to Instagram page and it seems like they've changed the layout. It's far more different from the first one. So I don't know whether to do this one now, because they've changed the picture, they've changed the login setup. I think they've included two things here, which is the get it on Google Play and other stuff, and I think this one is still the same. So I don't know whether to continue or not. So but currently I will just continue it how we left things, and I will just continue this one and add certain things here. So I've took a screenshot of how the last one looked on my other video, so I'm just gonna bring it up on the screen here. So as you can see, we had our login, then we had the separator, then login with Facebook, forgot password, didn't have an account, and gonna sign up. Then there's this footer here, which is just links to the about page, job and help, and also where the an option to choose a language, and the copyright Instagram from Meta, or Meta, that's what they call it in the States. But because in South Africa, they're gonna call it Meta. So so yeah, this was the basic layout we had. But currently, as you can see, it is changed, and they've included other stuff. Yo, guys, I don't know how this happened. So I'm just gonna continue with my old layout, and what I'm gonna do currently, it's just gonna copy path, and I'm just gonna paste it here. But it will tell me if you want me to do this one. You can always modify it, because we already have these things here. We just add a border, change the image and other things. But we will see what we can do. But currently, I'm just gonna paste. I'm just gonna paste the picture here. I'm just gonna click enter, and yeah, just gonna move on to this one. And I don't know, guys. We'll just see. Let's just do and see how it goes. So yeah, guys. What I've done, it's I've already pre-coded the HTML so that you cannot take in much time, because yeah, this video, I don't want this video to be long. So I'm just gonna go back to my Visual Studio Code, and okay, there's this div, which is a login, which is the login text, which is where we ended, um, which is where we ended here. So now we're just gonna do this separator here, which is the or and stuff like that. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So I'm just gonna take my HTML, which I've already pre-coded, So what I'm gonna do, it's copy, and I'm just gonna open my VS Code. I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna, where is this closing? This one is the login. This one is the container. So let's see the container. So this one is closing the login form, which we have this one, insta login. So let's see how we're gonna do this one. It's gonna go back. So just underneath the login. So So you can just paste it. It's the login. So we just paste it here. So just gonna go there, click enter and control V. So yeah, it's just a basic code, which is the or container, given a class of or container, or element, which is the div, which is the child container, which I would like to call it that because we have the parent one and we have the child container. Then we have the div inside that, which is the two lines, which is the or line, which is also given this on the or element, the same class as the child parent, and the or word, which is just this word here. So yeah, and that's awesome. That's just basics, guys. So I'm just gonna click save. So I'm just gonna click save and go back to our page. Let me just move this one here because I'm using Chrome. So yeah, so just gonna refresh. You see here we have our or. So now we're gonna try and style it to make it look as the or here or as the or here. So yeah, so currently that is what we gonna what? Gonna do. So we're gonna start with the or container. So we're gonna start with the or container. I'm just gonna copy the class here. We're just gonna which is the container or container. So I'm just gonna add a dot, and yeah. So I'm just gonna give it the margin top of 20. Let me just give it a margin top of 20. Let's just give it 24 pixels. Maybe it's gonna work. Maybe it do not work. So we're gonna see that. So yeah. So so now we're gonna style the or element. So we just gonna display it. So I'm just gonna do this because I want to move it. Oh wait. Oh, my battery. Damn. Just go back and connect my charger. Damn. Damn. Just gotta connect my charger just there. Okay. I think we're good. Let me just check my camera whether everything is showing nicely. I think I'm good. Okay. That's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna copy the or element. Copy, which is we want to display this element as display flags because we want them to align. This is still M container. Oh, damn it. It's now element. So V, so or element, and just gonna dot that. So yeah, so I'm just gonna display flex. Just gonna do it display flex. I'm gonna justify content center. So just to move it to the center, justify content. We're just gonna choose center. So gonna save that, and we're gonna see how it looks. So you see, it has moved. It is some margin top and moved to the middle, which is what we want because we want it to be here. So let's move on to the next one. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna style the line. So let's go back to that. Just want this video to be a little bit short. So yeah, so everything is already pre-coded, but yeah, so I'm gonna copy that and just gonna move. I'm just gonna it's gonna be all line, which is our class. So now we're gonna try to make these lines visible. So so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it these lines a height, right? Because this line needs to have a height, so we're gonna give it a height of 1 pixel, and obviously we need to do like position them relative. so that we can move them and we can use those top whatsoever positioning, which is what we want when we use position relative. And again, so we're gonna just move it slightly from the top a little bit down. So what we're gonna do is just this is where the top comes in, because we already use the position relative. So now we can use our top properties, and yeah, we're just gonna do dot 45. Maybe let's do m's. 45 amps just to move it slightly to the top. So let's just save and see how it looks for now. And nothing, because we don't have the width. So for the width, I think we're just gonna do flex grow. Okay, flex grow. Then we're gonna give it 1. So obviously you need to give it a color. So the color will be background color, which is background color, which is light gray. So we're just gonna look for light gray and gonna save. Which is the time now, which is 11 minutes. Oh wow, the time is flying, guys. The time is really flying, which is what we want. You see, there's the line, there's the other line. So now, obviously, if you get a look at the picture, you need to use some margin here and capitalize the R and just position everything nicely. Yeah, that is what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna move to the oh word. So I'm just gonna copy that, and I'm just gonna paste that here. So for the O word, which when you look at it is the O element, which is the O word. So now we're gonna style the word. So obviously we need to capitalize the O. So we're just gonna say text transform is gonna be obviously uppercase. Then we're gonna do a margin all around. So we're just gonna do a margin. Margin. Oh wow. Margin. And we're gonna say 0, top and bottom, and it's gonna be 18 left and right. So 18 pixels left and right. Then lastly, we're gonna give it a color of gray, because it's a word. So we don't want it to be black. We want it to have the color of what? Gray. So we're just gonna type in gray there, then save. Then let's see how it looks. And voila. Which is similar to that, and yeah, so let's move. So now we're gonna move to the Facebook, login with Facebook. So already I have some code which is HTML, so I'm just gonna copy that. So which is because we have an SVG there, and it's gonna copy that and go back to this, just underneath this. So just to make sure, okay, this is where the container ends, and I'm just gonna paste it there. So this is where it goes. So save. So yeah, guys, we're moving, and yeah. So I'm just gonna open that and refresh, and you can see we have the Facebook and we have the login. So we're wondering, but how is this thing aligned next to each other? Because the Facebook is this side on the left, and the login wording it's on the right. So remember, guys, that I've assigned this display flex element or element to this parent. Oh damn, what did I do? Okay, just gonna put that there. We have this or element here, and we also have it here. So remember, this one we're gonna display flex these elements which are contained inside it, which come currently is the first one and the second one, which they are contained. This div and there, and this the span starts here. So this one is going to be contained here. And remember, with the all element and is contained inside that. So let's move. I don't know whether I should remove this one because I don't think it's has any effect. So I'm gonna remove that class there because I don't think we need it there. So I'm just gonna save. And let's go to our page and refresh. You see that it didn't have any effect. So now obviously we need to add color to this SVG and wording. So that's what we're gonna do now. So let us continue. So pass by the OWID log container and yebo, yes. So OWID, okay. Let's see how that would go. Okay, we have some spacing here between the words, and we have some margin at the top. So that is what we're gonna do now. So let me just go back because you're gonna have some margin there. So what we're gonna grab now, we're gonna grab the login link container, which is what we're gonna get. We're gonna grab now, which you're gonna copy and go to our style sheet. Let me just take the timer there because I don't want it to be over 30 minutes. You have to cut it obviously. So I'm gonna dot that, then paste. Then what I'm gonna do now, it's add a margin top, which margin top is gonna be like let me just give it 30 pixels and save. Then we're gonna look at that. You see now it slightly goes down. When we see that, yeah, it is more or less the same. As I already said, that I've pre-coded this because I just wanted the video to be short. Just wanted to show you how we work around this. So yeah, so obviously now we need some spacing between the F and the L. So what we're gonna do for this one, I'm just gonna target the SVG in this case, which is the log container, which is this one. So it's contained inside this one. You see the whole SVG is contained inside this one, so we're gonna grab that one because it's containing the SVG. So just gonna go underneath that and F and Control C that. So I don't know. So we're just gonna add like a margin right of 10 pixels. So I'm just gonna do a margin right of 10 pixels. Think that's gonna be fine. Just gonna go back and voila. So it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. So yeah, guys. So now we have the L word and the SVG, the L word and SVG. So we're gonna grab both of those classes. So I'm just grab them here. I'm just gonna copy that and go back. Just gonna paste it down here. So we're gonna give it that color. Remember, guys, we have that color, which is this blue. So copy. Just gonna copy that and V. But because we want the color, so I'm just gonna erase that and space that and save. And let's see how it looks now. And here we go. It has changed color. Yeah, assuming it's the same color, but yeah, this one looks darker. So maybe you can try and modify it. I don't know, to a slightly darker color. Maybe slightly darker. Maybe there. As let's see. Yeah, let's just leave it there. I think that's this slightly darker color. It's working just fine. And yeah, so we have forgot password and we have this one. So I don't know. But for now, let's jump to the footer. I'll just do it this one. I just jump to the footer. We'll come back to this one. So, okay, let's just do this one. Let's just do this one. And forgot password. Just gonna do a word. It's called forgot password. Just gonna copy that. Copy. I'm gonna put it there. Da, 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 da. Span. Forgot word. What the fuck? Man. Ah. I should control space. But most of the time I don't do that. But anyway, it's fine. So forgot word, which is it's forgot password. So I'm just gonna inspect the word because I don't like. Okay, which is the word forgot password with the exclamation mark there. Gonna copy that word. Just gonna go to my VS Code now. Just gonna paste it there. Forgot word. Maybe I should also contain it. Yeah, maybe I should. Maybe I should not. Let's just contain it, guys. I copy. Okay, let's see how that looks like. Let's see how that looks like. Forgot password, which is nice. Looks like it's a darker blue. Ah, will we find the color? Oh damn it! Looks like it's a variable. Aye, but it's all. So forgot password. Forgot pass. Seems like it must be slightly top. Okay, or element linked in. So I'm just gonna see PS con just to move to slightly to the top. So I'm just gonna add some margin there. So so just gonna do that and add some margin top, which is maybe just do it in negative 10 pixels. I don't know. Maybe that's gonna work. Oh damn. I should install an autosave extension, but I don't want what the damn to zero. When? Oh, wowzers. Trending could do that. 10. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Maybe like 15 would work. Let's do like 15. Maybe 18. I don't know. Yeah, it looks. Hmm. I, it looks the same to me. So yeah, so what we're gonna do now, gonna say forgot word. So this is where we're gonna do the color thing. And yeah, I was just gonna dot that. You're gonna dot that. Gonna dot that. And the color. So obviously we have to modify this color to give it just slightly darker blue. So but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But I'm just gonna move this color to the dark side. Okay. You're getting there. So yeah, the color doesn't look off. It's but it's slightly light. So let's give it a slightly boost there. So let's save it and did it change? But we forever gonna hate. But I give it till I compete. Okay. Let me just do Get it to the top. Yeah, I think now it's there. So yeah, as you can see, we're getting there. So looking at the document, what we only left is don't have an account, which is this word here. So that is exactly what I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna grab the word. Copy. Okay. And then I'm gonna, oh, damn it. Okay, I'm just gonna copy these. And then I'm just gonna paste that there. And ngizolanda games tudla. Okay, that's nice. What the did I see? I didn't control it. I just did my things. So I'm just gonna go back to the Visual Studio Code. So V. So I'm just gonna copy this one, password. Just gonna call this one in account. So it's double C. So forgot word. It's gonna be account word. Yeah. Think of I've abbreviated it nicely. I don't know whether that's the right word to use, but yeah, it's fine. So I'm just gonna grab this one, this container thing. Just gonna copy it. Gonna go there. Paste that. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing here. I'm just gonna copy that. I'm just gonna paste it there. Yeah, you know the gist. Then I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna do like young 25. Not 55, 25. Just gonna go back and save everything before we're gonna inspect. Just gonna go back to my document. It seems there. Where's the sign up? Oh, where's the sign up now? Spend sign up. See now. You see now. I was gonna do this one in A tag. Let me just do an A tag. Since it's a sign up, I'm just gonna put the sign up where the sign. Is it sign up as is it like this? Sign up. Oh, it's just the word. Okay. Gonna save that. Let's see the timer. We are getting there. Yo, so it's already 27. So we need to be in a hurry now. We need to be in a hurry. So, okay. Yeah, there's the sign up. So I'm gonna just give this a sign up. So I'm just gonna do that and okay, account, copy. Then I'm just gonna target the A. So obviously the color needs to be the color that we love. So I'm just gonna copy from there because I don't remember the color. Save there. And text decoration is gonna be none. We know, guys, we don't want any decorations here. So I'm just gonna save that and let's see. And yeah, you see we're getting there. So I'm just gonna add in more margin because I don't think this 25 is working. Maybe 45 will work nice. Already on the 26, 29 mark, guys. 29 mark. So we're chasing time now. Oh, damn it. Okay, I think it's fine. So yeah, guys, and now I'm just gonna grab the last section of this video, guys. Thank you for watching, by the way. This is the Marvin coming to you live from Johannesburg. Okay, so so I just want to paste this one outside everything. So this one is the container. The container ends there. Maybe I should paste it here. Let's try it outside first. Okay, so what I did there was that I added a class called footer container, and inside that, which is the container, obviously. Let me just push that there so that I can show this the container. And we have the other one. I'm just gonna push it to the left so that we can see that it's the footer links. And then inside those links, I've added some divs with the links like meta, about, blog. I didn't add a text because we're just focusing on the front end, so I don't know where to link them to. So I'm just kept it as divs. So we have the meta, about, everything you see there. Let me just go back. Everything you see here, or everything you see here. Let me just close the inspect. Everything you see there. So that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, so I've pasted everything there, and I'm just gonna save. Yes, I'm just gonna go back to the page, and here we go. And that's nice, that's nice. So now we have to style everything to align it. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is the footer container. Let me just style the footer container, which I'm gonna give it a padding top of 10 pixels. The footer container, which is this one, copy, which is just padding, guys. Footer container, footer section. Okay, gonna have to V footer container, padding top of 10 pixels, guys. So I'm just gonna give it a padding top of 10 pixels, obviously. So 10 pixels. Then I'm gonna save that. But obviously now we're just adding padding, nothing special. So the footer links, this is where we're gonna display them flex across. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm just gonna paste that and display them flex. So what's gonna do? So display. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna display them flex, and we're gonna move them to the center. Obviously, you have to justify content. Justify content to center. Obviously, guys, we're dealing with center. And when we are done with that, I'm just gonna add a margin on top. It's gonna be 10. It's gonna be 20 pixels. Margin. Top is gonna be 20 pixels. And what's left now? Let's see what's left. Okay, that looks nice. What's left? We're gonna have to add some spacing around this, and what we're gonna do now and add the color, which is slightly grayish. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're chasing time, so we're gonna do a gap. Obviously, we're gonna do a damn man. We're gonna do a gap of 10 pixels, obviously. So we're gonna do a gap of 10 pixels, and we're gonna give it a color. Remember, a color of gray. I don't know the color of gray, guys. I'm just gonna use the word color. I know, guys, you like to use color codes, but here we are not using color codes. We are using word color. So yeah. Our Instagram page is done. I don't think there's anything left. We've covered everything, even though it has changed. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do this version of it. But how are we gonna do this now? We have to use some JavaScript now. Yeah, but for now, I'm just gonna end the video there. And it's been a wonderful journey. This is how our login Instagram page looks now. Yeah, I could say they look a lot similar. A lot similar. This is a screenshot, by the way. It's not, doesn't look like that one. But yeah, I should have not refreshed the page. But yeah, things happened. And yeah, so I'm just gonna Instagram. Okay, let's do the last part, guys. We're just gonna add a favicon there, which is the Instagram, and we're gonna change the name to Instagram. Let's just change the document because we need to be professional. So I'm just gonna go back and look for the header, which is Instagram. Yeah, just gonna use the one. So I'm just gonna type link and look where is the favicon. So here's the favicon. So we're just gonna use the href. I don't have the image. So obviously we need to go to Google. Instagram logo. Instagram. Let me type in maybe logo. Yeah, because I don't think I'll find it. Logo. PNG. That's good. This one looks nice, ne? So we're just gonna grab this one. Yeah, we're definitely gonna save image as is the see. Oh, let me just go visit the size anyway because hey, it's tough, chief. It's tough. So yeah, just gonna close that. It's gonna download. What? What did I download now? Is it file? Hey, let's go to this website. I don't want to unzip things there. Save images. It's the PNG. I'm just gonna grab this one. Hey, these people. Ay. So I'm just gonna go here. Okay. What is inside here? Extract all. I'm extracting. It's a JPEG. Does this one have like? Oh, this one is transparent. Yeah. When? So this one is transparent. Okay, it's transparent. But we have to crop it. It's too much. Edit. Just fuck. What is this one now? Edit with. Open with photos. Obvious, guys. Too large. So like my edge. For what reasons? I don't know. We're not using Adobe, Baba. We're not using Adobe. Just gonna save that. Save as copy. I'm just gonna save it. Yeah, this one looks nice. Yeah. So where is it? It's this one. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, so I'm just gonna move it there. Voila. Favicon. I told you this is the link now. I'm telling you to come with the time. Okay, we're just gonna go in there. We're just gonna logo present. Logo box image. Which one is logo wine? It's logo wine. I don't know why I chose this one. It's logo wine. This one. I'm gonna save. Then I'm gonna go back and voila. We have the favicon and we have Instagram. Yeah. So now it's me. Let's see now. Just gonna close these tabs before they keep tabs on us. So yeah, guys, now we have the Instagram login. So yeah, this video is done. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I hope you tell me which videos to do. Which front end stuff you want me to code using HTML, or just want me to use a framework. If you want me to use a framework, or just want vanilla HTML and CSS and JavaScript, we're gonna do it that way. But yeah, guys, you can tell me the direction of this channel. But yeah, or you want something with clone a website from scratch, any website you want. I'm using WordPress. Now obviously I'm not gonna clone using HTML because it's gonna take time. It's gonna be an 8-hour long video just trying to clone a fucking hero section. But for now, yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun coding this login page. And yeah, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment if you liked the video. So yeah, so I'm just gonna create a GitHub right now because my GitHub has logged me off and I forgot the credentials to log in. So I'm just gonna create a new one. Maybe just push this code and share the code to you guys so that you can make it responsive. Oh damn, it's not responsive. Okay, I'm gonna do a part 3 where I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna do a responsive version of this. And yeah, it's gonna be a short one, but for now, let's call it a day. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Bye bye.